for me to give you an update. But jeez. But no, that's my car right there. But jeez. So the shop is closed. Is it open? Let me see if my car's open. Is it open? Is it open? Damn! I met, boy. Hold on. Yes, clean me. Damn, this thing's filthy. Is it open? Oh, it's not open. It's closed. But still got it here at that shop. So I'm getting misfire on cylinder number 3. Well, I got no pressure. Well, I got no pressure on cylinder number 3, so I'm just gonna replace the engine. I'm waiting for a new engine. It's about to take a week, maybe a week and a half. So maybe about 2 weeks to get the engine and then getting the engine installed. But yeah, that's what I'm waiting on. But damn, this thing's still looking good, even though it's dirty. Jeez. What do you guys think? You guys think I should go lower? Look at the back end. I think I should go lower. Maybe get coil over or lower the springs a little bit more. But that's how the car looks right now. But listen, that's the whole reason I haven't been posting. If you guys could tell, I didn't post for about 5 days, 6 days. I don't even know, about a week since the last time I posted a video. But yeah, this is a quick update. The car is gonna be running. It's gonna be running in about 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. I don't know, max 3 weeks. But hopefully we get it running under 2 weeks. That's the plan for this car. I'm also meeting up with some people tomorrow, some of my friends. So yeah, I'm gonna be posting and filming those cars. But yeah, if you guys haven't leave a like on this video, make sure you guys do so. And if you guys want to know what happened to this bad boy, hold on, I have a video up. Well, my last video, you can go check out my last video. I explain, well, I didn't explain, but yeah, this car is running so rough. I'm gonna play you guys a clip at the end of the video on how the car is running after we cleaned it. You know, everything, just oil went everywhere, bro. Yeah, it wasn't a good thing at all. So yeah, once oil passed the turbos, you know, the thing's gone. So I have to replace the engine, the turbo too, and that's about to be like without labor. That job easily will run you up like about 7 grand, but in this case it's only running me up like about 4,500. So it's, yeah, it's bad. It's a lot of money, but I'm gonna do this for you guys and for me also. I want my car back, so that's not that thing. So if you replacing an engine, if you blow up an engine, if you messed up an engine like I did, an S3 engine specifically, well, the A3 engine is not that expensive. It's about 1,000 and something. Yeah, so you can do that. But this engine, the S3 engine, it'll run you up about like 3 grand, just the engine. And it can run you up about, an S3 engine can run you up from 3 grand to all the way up to like 6 grand. So yeah, they go pretty expensive, and they don't sell it with the turbos. You gotta get the turbos separately. So that's another 7 to 9 grand, or you can more depending on where you look. But yeah, it can run you up quick. If you guys want this car back, make sure you guys comment down below. I want the car back so we can start posting again. But geez, so I'm meeting up with some of my friends, obviously, the A3 and some other. I'm meeting up with my friend Q50. That's a Audi. Yeah, so that's about to be fun. Yeah, like the wheels though. Jeez, you like dig it? I dig the wheel. Right now it doesn't look good because you know it's not clean and anything. Damn, I missed this thing. We still got the RAV4 though, right? Jeez, how is this thing looking? But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video again if you haven't. Yeah, peace out.